here. So here's the thing. So I'm supposed to be on my annual holiday from creating anything, but I've made a small collection. Now you will have seen from the thumbnail that this is on at a very, very low cost, because I've created it using some public domain images that I've altered. So the amount of actual design work that's gone into it is not as much as what I normally do with my larger kits, but I created this because I wanted something to go as main journal pages to coordinate with my Journal Basics ephemera mega bundle and my Journal Basics pages collection. And what I'm going to do is quite a large kind of eclectic vintage journal using those kits, and I wanted some background pages. So I made these primarily for myself. I'm waffling a bit, but there's a point to my story. And then I thought, well, why not share them? Share them. I don't do sales and I don't do discounts in my shop because my prices are so low. So what I do, I give a lot of freebies over on my group, and every now and again I'll do a really kind of budget friendly cheap thing to kind of offer if people want them. So there's 13 pages here. So like I say, they're all background pages to go with those other two kits that are packed with ephemera and other pages and fussy cuts. There's absolutely heaps in those. So if you've already got those, this will go with it. Okay, so I'm going to do it it'll be all in one file, and in that file there will be JPEG UK, PDF UK, PDF International and JPEG International. Okay, so yeah. The only other thing I just want to add is the Ko-fi site is PayPal only. It automatically converts. If you're overseas, it will convert your currency, and this is such a low cost, it's going to be very minimal. It doesn't take credit cards, I'm afraid. If you're in the UK and you don't do PayPal, you can contact me and we can do bank transfer for any of my collections, and then I can send you the files via your email. Okay, I just don't want to go on Etsy. The robbers. Right, so here's the first page. Okay, lovely, loads of vintage field stuff. Second one is like a collage of written ephemera and paper ephemera. This one is just postcards, and I just thought it was a lovely background. I've added quite a grungy. This is about as grunge as you'll ever see me do. It's more vintage than grunge. So that's that one, and then it's the same image but I've left the colour in case anybody doesn't like all just dark colours. You can have it with the colour. Okay, and then this one here, which is another kind of collage, and then one here with some postcards, one here with some bits of letter type ephemera and some postage stamps. This one is like a collection of pages that have been stacked on, and then I've added some little snippets of ephemera there. The dogs are going to start. This one here is a lovely kind of layout. I've added some script and a grungy background and changed the colours and done a bit of jiggery pokery with it. And then we've got another one here. Okay, so they also fit with a kind of travel theme, but yeah, I'm just going with an eclectic vintage. Then this one is just it's an open book on a background, but you can use it as journal pages, you know, plain journal pages for writing, and print it back to back, print it several times, and you've got your plain page. And then here's another one with some of my unique ephemera added on there. You can't get these anywhere else because they're in my collection. I think they are. I say that and then I mix stuff up. I think these are in my collection, these ones. So, and then there's this one here, which is a lovely one. Be really, really lovely, like collage feel. So 13 pages at the super low price, as you will see. So go and grab that for yourself over on my Ko-fi. Yeah. So I'm going to be putting together quite a large kind of vintage eclectic feel journal with lots and lots of, well, I'm saying lots of signatures. I want it to be quite chunky So I'm going to be using this collection and the 2 Journaling Basics collections that I've also got on my Ko-fi. So that's what I'm going to be doing with this collection. Obviously you can fussy cut it, you can make envelopes out of it, pockets out of it, do what you want, but I've specifically made these, as I say, initially for my own personal use, and then I thought, well, why not share and give everybody a bit of a treat. So there you go, there's a super budget friendly collection for you, available in my Ko-fi. The links are in the description box below, blah 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 blah. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.